All right, so just picked up a new case. Actually, this is the brand. And I got off of Amazon. And actually, I've been looking for a case since Apple decided that it was not going to do leather cases anymore. And I picked this guy up because it's mag safe and it has this pebble finish here, which is actually pretty nice. I'm actually recording on my iPhone 15 Pro Max right now, but let me smell it. Smells like leather. Yeah, this one does look really nice. It has these hard buttons right here. Mag safe, like I mentioned. And I got it for a pretty good deal. I'll leave a link if you guys want to pick this guy up. But yeah, this is it. You got your cutouts down here. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Later. Bye-bye.